So this is I'm Rita Nair. Actually, I have a 3 decade of work experience in HR. I work for a US multinational company, which is a Fortune 500 in the water space. We are located here in India, and we came through Vibrant Gujarat. So, how as an HR can support for the business goal is that how can you attract talent with the purpose of an organization. Like for example, our purpose is to empower our customers and communities to build a water secure world. This is one of the major purpose and the values which we have. It attracts the talent, not only attracts the talent but then retain the talent, because the projects which we deliver, it has an impact on the human life. Like I emphasized during my panel discussion, especially on the projects which we are delivering. What I was looking forward for from this conference was that sharing of best practices by a lot of panel members, and this is not only learning to the panel members, also to the entire HR fraternity and the audience who are participating, because such a diverse industry presence I can see from across Gujarat. And I'm thankful to the ETT team to organize such a impactful program in the city of Ahmedabad, because Gujarat is actually in a very industrially advanced state, and most of the people here in the country knows about Vibrant Gujarat and the types of industry which we have, the global presence of industry and diverse footprints in fact we have. So probably maybe looking forward for some unique sort of a session or conference where exclusively there is a best practice sharing, and I would love to be a part of this, where I can share the best practices which have helped us out not only to attract the talent but retain the talent. Thank you.